What to do if a fault occurs? What to do if you are unable to start the machine? Make sure that the main switch of the device is turned on. Make sure that the robot is powered on. If the problem still persists, please reset the machine by long pressing this power button for at least 5 seconds. What to do if Robo is not moving or getting stuck? Check whether the machine is stuck or blocked by something. Check whether Robo is in a restricted area. Move the Robo to a different location and check. Check whether the battery is too low. If the problem isn't solved, please shut it down. Wait for 3 seconds and then restart it. What to do if you're not able to make a cleaning schedule? Make sure the machine is on. Schedule the time and make sure it's set correctly. Check whether the machine power is too low to start cleaning. What to do if the suction has become too weak? Check the suction inlet for any obstruction. Empty the dust box. Clean filters by tapping. Check whether filters are wet. If wet, let the filters dry completely before using. What to do if the Robo is not charging? Check whether the charging dock is correctly connected to the power supply and the indicator lights when the power is on. When the robotic vacuum cleaner is connected to the charging dock, the indicator light stays off. If the robotic vacuum cleaner is connected to the charging dock, but the indicator light remains on, and also if the robotic vacuum cleaner does not respond, please use a dry cloth to wipe the charging poles at the bottom of the machine off the charging dock, and then try again. If the device still cannot be charged after performing the above steps, please contact the Eureka Forbes customer care service. What to do if the Forbes Smart Clean is not returning to the charging station? Clear the objects within 2 feet on the left and right sides and within 5 feet front side of the charging dock. Make sure that the machine starts sweep from the charging dock without abnormal movement. If the machine is near the charging dock, it can return faster. But if the charging dock is far away, the machine will need more time to return. Please wait during its return. Also try cleaning the charging electrodes with a soft cloth. What to do if the rolling brush does not rotate? Clean the rolling brush. Also try cleaning the side brush. What to do if there's abnormal action or cleaning route? Carefully clean all the sensors with a dry cloth. Restart the machine by long pressing the power button. What to do if there is no water released during mopping? 1. Make sure there is enough water in the water tank. Always use clean and low TDS water. 2. Check whether the mop module is installed correctly. Upon correct installation, you will hear a related voice prompt. 3. Check whether the water outlet is blocked. 4. Clean the filter in the bottom side of the water tank. What to do if the machine is not connecting to Wi-Fi? Ensure that your Wi-Fi router supports 2.4 GHz and 802.11 BGN bands, as this equipment does not support 5 GHz bands. Before trying to connect to Wi-Fi, make sure that the Robo is charged at least 50% or connected to charging station. What to do if there are any sensors-related issues? Carefully clean all the sensors with a dry cloth. You can restart the machine by long pressing the power button. How to restart the Robo? There are 3 ways to restart the Robo. 1. Long press the power button for 5 seconds and Robo will restart. 2. Toggle off the main switch at the side forcibly to turn off the machine and then turn it on. Enjoy using your new Forbes Robotic LVac voice Nuo.